We can learn how to treat people by looking at faces. One way to treat patients in Chinese medicine is to analyze facial features. For example, people who have small and spaced teeth have used a lot of animal protein when they were young, but people who have large molars and front teeth have benefited from a diet rich in grains. People's eyes tell us in one comment whether a person is trustworthy, skeptical, sad, bigoted or critical or not, whether you like it or not. You might ask yourself, when everything seems to be interpreted and explained in detail, can faceology still have any value? But in my opinion, this art is of special importance. Everything is written in the face of a person. All we have to do is to use all our intention and courage and look carefully for the signs. If a person can truly know himself, then he will be able to create a valuable relationship with his acquaintances, friends, and colleagues. Also, he will gain more understanding with people and will have the ability to review his problems with more understanding. Face is not only a key to happiness and success, but also determines our destiny. Destiny means the ability to use opportunities and use potential talents. The reader does not have to believe the science of Sang Main, but its principles are worth studying. Chapter 1, The Face and its Details. In this chapter, we will talk about the geometry of the face and its details. The forehead, eyebrows, eyes, nose, lips and mouth, teeth, chin, cheeks and ears are part of the face. Each will be opened in detail. At the end, we will talk about the types of molds. Understanding and memorizing this chapter is essential for deep learning of face reading. Chapter 2, Sexuality and Face Reading. Charm is a type of acceptance that pursues a specific goal. In fact, we can send signs to our other party by flirting and charming. The meaning of these signs is as follows: in my opinion, you are very ideal, you arouse my interests. I want to know you better. Our brain registers all these signs in just a few seconds. In general, we have no knowledge of this brain activity. We don't even know that after a few moments or even a moment, these charms will be accepted or rejected by our brain. Here, we will examine this condition very carefully for all faces. In this chapter, we will discuss this in detail in 3 separate sections. Chapter 3, Communicate by Reading Face. In the first chapter, we learn about the different shapes of the face and the attributes related to each of them. But in the third chapter, we find that, in general, face shapes are divided into 3 groups. First, the face is round. Second, it is a polygonal face, which includes octagonal face, hexagonal face, diamond face, rectangle face, trapezoidal face. Third, about triangle face, heart face and oval face. Through 9 separate sections, we discuss the relationship between these 3 forms in men and women in detail. Chapter 4, Face Reading Exercises. The last chapter is a key chapter to improve your face reading ability. This chapter teaches you how to read a person's face with regular questions and answers with 5 special exercises.